Hey guys, welcome back. In this video of the camper build, we are going to start to put together the roof. In the previous video, you saw me test out all the movements and make some trim pieces for the inside where the hinges mount to. In this video, we are going to paint all of them, fix the pop-up walls and do some fiberglass work. So let's get started. Alright guys, it's the next day. I've made these aluminium L pieces to cover this front edge and also the sides. These are welded in the corners, not like the original ones which were just glued. I hope to make it a little bit stronger with this so it overlaps the roof skin and these sides. So this will be glued on with some MS polymer as well, and hopefully this will keep everything waterproof. I will also do a bead over the screw holes and this lip right here. So hopefully with this it has 1, 2, 3, 4 layers of adhesive and sealant to prevent the water from getting in. So let me clean up everything with acetone and start gluing up. This is also a little bit time sensitive, so let's cue the montage.
Home to the mountain.
So this is how it looks after 2 days. I sealed it over here. There are no screws on the sides, just a glue sealant MS polymer thing. Up here, down here, here's the joint. I just laid a bunch of sealant on it, and also, to be sure, here on the corners, focus, and also all of the screw heads are covered. The best would be to use some kind of lap sealant, but I couldn't find anything that is like the Dicor lap sealant in the US. But maybe some of you could leave it in the comments if there is a possibility to get some kind of self-leveling lap sealant here in Europe. Maybe I could afterwards put a bead over here all along the edge, just to be triple, quadruple sure that no water gets inside. I probably have to reseal this in a couple of years, but for now this is good. So let's get on with the side panels over there. So these are all painted. They had a couple days to dry. I have some rubber stuff, some seals and silicone strips to fit to them. These are the corner pieces which mount to those side panels, and these bearings ride on the fiberglass roof to help stand them up like so, but they are very rusty and have too much play in them. But these are some special bearings. They look like this, and nobody could help me how to source them or where to find them. So the best I could come up with to take a 608 bearing and a piece of polyethylene water pipe and just glue it onto the bearing, something like this. I found these things. These are like some anchors where you put a bolt in it and it spreads out like this. So I will probably try to go this route, because there is no side load on these bearings. They just have to roll 50 centimeters in one direction and back to the other. And to get this diameter correct, I probably have to sand the pipe a little bit down. And also I have to remake this pull handle for that side over there, because this one is checked and cracked. I will try and find a piece of walnut and remake this one so it matches the interior of the camper better. So the next thing on my list is to sand down this pop-top roof. So all these black spots are tiny holes and cracks in the gel coat of the fiberglass, as well as some deeper holes right along the edge. Rubber seal pushes against the roof skin and provides an additional layer of weatherproofing just to be sure. So if there is a huge storm or something like that, I just need to put the roof down and make sure that the seal is flush on all the sides, and this will give me an extra protection. But for normal use, you can see that this lip of the sidewall closes on this aluminium angle piece, so there is no way for the water to get in, because there is also this silicone thing that closes against the top of the wood near the hinge. The seal is the same as you have maybe on your car doors. So hopefully this will do the trick on this camper as well. Just have to make sure that this part of the roof is always clean. So guys, another huge part of this build is done. I'm super happy with the outcome, and it will hopefully serve me well for years to come. But this is all the time I have for this video, so thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye!